What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got a special one. I got a package from my friends over at OEM Extinguishers. These seem to be the best to me because they're super easy to install. They all mount up to OEM brackets on the bottom of the seat, and they actually have these fire extinguishers for a bunch of different BMWs. I've seen them for E46s, the G8X platform, the E92 platform, of course the F80 platform. Yeah, I'm really excited to get into this today. Hopefully I never have to use it, but I think it'll be a cool addition to the car. So let me show you what comes in the package. As you can see, we have some very nice packaging, bubble wrap. We have our hardware with some, I think, a decal and a business card. Very nicely done. Here you have some instructions, which is always nice. See, it's going to tell you exactly where you're going to mount to, and that's what I'm going to show you here today. Pretty straightforward. Let's see what we got here. Just tells you all of your hardware, your install difficulty, which as you can see, it's a 1-star, which is good. I'm gonna put that safely down there. We got more business cards. I like to see people trying to build a business. I'm doing the same thing with my life as well, so it's really cool to see somebody take so much pride in the way that they do their work. I've seen the OEM extinguishers in a couple of friends' cards at this point, and it sold me. Shout out to you, you're doing a good job with everything that you're doing, the branding, the marketing. I'm a little bit overweight, so I didn't need these, but it is a nice touch. Oh, even more. I'm overweight, man, stop. Seriously, I'm overweight, stop. You don't have to stop, I love candy. Here we have our extinguisher. It's nice and bubble wrapped. Here we have the fire extinguisher already mounted to the bracket. So just out of curiosity, I'm going to see exactly how we get this off. Oh, just like that. I apologize for all the extra noise in the neighborhood. It is late summer and fall is right around the corner, and people are doing all this yard work and such. So there is a lot of noise going on, but I'll try to get it as clear as possible. But let's go into the car. I'm actually going to post up a picture of where the bracket goes under the seat. You don't have to undo your seat and lift it up to get access to the bottom of it. You can do it without doing that. I feel like it's very unnecessary, and for video purposes even, because if you look under there, if you just poke your head under there, you can see it yourself. So don't worry too much about that, but here's a picture of it. All right, everyone, I got the mount on the bottom of the seat, so the bracket is good and secured. Now it's time for the fun part, to put this bad boy in and see what it looks like. Here we have the OEM extinguisher installed. It looks great, great product. It's a very cool product. It saves you from having to drill into the floorboard of your car. We'll see if we ever need it. Hopefully we don't. All right, guys, so that job was super easy. I'm not getting paid to advertise this product. I wanted to let you know, I just thought it was really cool. Always wanted a fire extinguisher in the car, but did not want to drill those brackets, those old school type brackets and mounts into the floorboard of my car. So this worked out perfectly. They reached out after I followed them. I saw my friend F80 put one in his car, and then my friend AM Juice with the M4 CSL, he put one in his car. Same brand. It looks good. It's super easy to do. It's not that expensive. So if you're looking or in the market for a fire extinguisher for your M car, check them out because they have good products. So anyways, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.